patients call me, email me about clinical trials. And there's a lot of misconceptions about clinical trials. And one of the things that I hear most often is a patient will say, well, if I get the placebo, am I not getting care for my cancer at all?
Sure.
And that's not the case. So when you're in front of patients and you identify somebody that could be a great candidate for a trial, and they have questions, how do you address that?
That's a fantastic question. Thanks for asking it. So this is something that I see in my own clinical practice. One of the first things that I try to make sure that a patient understands is that the clinical trials that we have, we think represent the best possible care. And if we weren't comfortable with the care that the patient would receive on whatever arm they got randomized to, we simply wouldn't open the trial. A common misconception is exactly what you were saying. Many of our trials are standard approaches plus something new, and patients have the misunderstanding that if they got randomized to a placebo arm, they get no treatment at all, which is just not the case.
Right.
And so what I like to do is try and get an understanding from them what their concerns are, is that their concern, and then try and really explain that, no, there's going to be traditional therapy and excellent care on both arms. We just think that this new approach with the addition of a novel drug might improve outcomes, but we need to test that, and that's why we're doing the trial, and then try to really see what additional questions they may have. And then, in all honesty, I'm a huge fan of clinical trials, and I think they're really important to advance care, but there are some patients who just aren't comfortable with that concept, and that's okay too. So the other thing I like to really stress to my patients is, no matter what you decide, I'm here for you. I'm ready to help you in any way I can through this journey battling cancer.
Yeah. Well, doctor, thank you very much for spending time with us, and I wish you all the best in your upcoming trial. And on behalf of myself and the Healthy 360 family, we really appreciate all the work that you're doing.
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.